This is how I make sushi using Trader Joe's salmon. Per the FDA guidelines, fish must be frozen. However, aquaculture fish like the salmon are exempt. Let's do the initial smell test. That actually sounds pretty great. First inspection, the loin side has some severe myoare in it, but the cross section looks good. This is a layer of insulating fat. We'll go ahead and trim this at some point. Divide your salmon into the loin side and to the belly side. The cross section looks very promising. Let's get everything onto the curing tray. Nice. First I'm using salt, just an even layer, make sure to cover all 6 sides. Next we're going to do the same with sugar. You can be generous here and make sure to cover all 6 sides here as well. We're going to be washing this off, so don't worry, and it is essential for the curing process. You should be able to see the fluid being pulled almost immediately. This will go in the fridge for about 45 minutes.
Many minutes later.
At this point, the fish should have a glossy and waxy texture to it. We're going to do a 2-stage wash. This is to make sure that all the salt and sugar is washed off. You can also do this step under the running faucet. Let's go ahead and trim the brown fat. I probably should have done this before the curing, but you can do this at any step. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and slice up some sashimi. Make sure to make thin, consistent slices. I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised by the quality. Let's go ahead and do a simple plating. Let's have a taste. Smell test is good. It's a beautiful piece. With smooth, buttery, melt in your mouth texture. Soy sauce, wasabi. Technically this is horseradish, but that is fantastic. No fishiness at all. The curing made the texture fantastic. High fat content, so it's just melt in your mouth. Cho gochujang, I always do this test. Made out of gochujang, vinegar, garlic, and it has a sweetener. Sweet, spicy, tangy, sour. I love that. That's a great value. I think the problem with the Costco one, which is fine, is that the quantity is so huge. This one, I think it came out to about $11 and it had 2 big pieces. I don't know if I should give this like a number rating, but it would definitely fall into the recommended rating. So if you get the skin off Atlantic Farm version, I highly recommend it. Taste wise, it's up there. The belly side would have been melted in your mouth. It'd be great for torching, aburi style as well. If I had to give it a number, 8.5. All right, thank you.